BTG Labs' Surface Analyst 5001 is the first tool of its kind to allow manufacturers to make intelligent engineering decisions based on meaningful data to achieve zero-defect manufacturing. The Surface Analyst 5001 collects critical data about your material surfaces in real time. The device delivers repeatable, consistent, and rapid quality measurements on real parts and on real-world surfaces, making it the smart choice for surface testing and manufacturing. In less than 2 seconds, manufacturers can quantify the quality of critical surfaces for applications like bonding, sealing, coating, painting, printing, and cleaning. Through the push of a button, directly on the body of the 5001, or using the extended controls on the universal inspection head, users retrieve precise, quantitative surface quality data rapidly.